Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Clip 4 Bluetooth speaker, and in this video I am going to show you how to tear this down. So this is JBL Clip 4. So alright, without wasting any time, let's start tearing this down. So first we have to take out this mesh here. So I am going to use this prying tool so that it is clipped actually. So slowly by inserting here we have to pry it like this. So that's it. So this is the internal look. Top mesh has come out. So this has volume minus, volume plus and play pass button. So alright, so this is the 40 mm driver here approximately. So let's measure this. So it is 40 mm approximately. Yes, so 1.5 inches driver. So alright, further to take this out we have to take out 5 screws. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is Phillips screws, so we have to use Phillips screwdriver here. So alright, let me start taking this apart. So alright, that's it. So now we have to slowly take this, we have to pull this bottom part so that it will come out. So you can see here, so I'm showing you in the close-up. So this is the speaker driver connection. So slowly by lifting like this it will come out. So that's it. This is the battery connection. So I have taken that out. So further this is control board connection. So this socket belongs to this my volume minus, volume plus and play pass button. So alright, so finally this is the fourth socket. So this is used for charging purpose. So this goes here, you can see there is a type C charging port here. So for that this socket is used. So there are totally 4 sockets in this. So let me keep this separately. So I don't want to take out this speaker driver because you can see here clearly. So if you want to see, you can see CDS 01821 it is written. So that might be same or different in the different speaker serial number. So alright, this is the control board here. So even you can see that if you want, serial number is given I think. So alright, so these are the 3 switches, micro switches, and this is the speaker driver which is connected, which is installed using 2 Phillips screwdriver here. So that's it. So let me keep this separately. Now it's time to take out the battery part here. So battery has been installed like this. Simply we can pull it. So that's it. So this is the battery here. So if you want you can read it. I'm showing you in close up. So this is 3.7 volts battery. GSP 903052 is the model of the battery, and the capacity is 1050, that is 1050 mAh. Lithium ion polymer battery. So maximum voltage is 4.2 volts. That's it. Remaining things are in Chinese, and warning sign is warning details is given at the bottom. So alright, so this is quite heavy battery actually for the speaker. 1050 mAh, very thick battery with 4 wires here. You can see red is positive and the yellow and white color is for temperature sensing, and the black one is the negative wire here. So alright, let me keep this battery separately. Now further to take out the motherboard we have to take out the 4 screws here. 1 2 3 4. So let's take that out. So again I'm using the Phillips screwdriver here. So 4 screws has been taken. Now this motherboard will come like this. Very simply, easily it will come out. Just we have to take it out. There is a placeholder here. So 2 placeholders for the motherboard. So alright, let me show you the motherboard in close up. So this is JBL Clip 4 Bluetooth speakers motherboard. So this is the Bluetooth module here, and this socket belongs to charging section. So type C connector will get in touch with this. So this is the battery socket, this is the speaker socket, and this is the control board here. Control board socket, that is volume minus, volume plus and play pass button, and there are further 2 buttons here you can see. So this is the side view of the motherboard. So one is for the Bluetooth, one is for turning on and turning off, and the other one is for Bluetooth pairing. So these are the 2 buttons which come at the side here. So you can see here Bluetooth button, and here the turn on button, turn off button is there, but the logo, the switch is missing here. So again at the bottom base radiator is there. Here you can see white air seal is there. So this is very important. While assembling it back, it should be in place, otherwise air leakage will happen and distortion sound may come because of this. So let me show you the measurement of this base radiator. Before that, I want to show you the back side of this motherboard. So this is the back side of the motherboard, nothing much. There are two micro switches. So this is some serial number, and there are few components here. So that's it. This is the motherboard, and this is the LED light which gives the signal, turn on signal, turn off signal, charging signal, all those things using this LED light. So that's it for this motherboard, and I want to show you the size of this base radiator approximately. So so it is approximately 48 to 50 mm, that is 5 centimeter. So alright, that is the base radiator in this bottom part. So nothing much in this. So just rubber is there here. So that is for holding the speaker with grip at the table, in the table. So that's it for this video. This is the complete teardown of JBL Clip 4 Bluetooth speaker. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.